Hello students, welcome back to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. Myself Abhilash Jadhav, and dear students, we are studying about food production, a lesson from 5th standard science. We are preparing a series of the videos, and this is the 7th part of the series where we are going to learn about the storage. But before that, let me remind you, in last part of the video we have learned about how it is important for the farmers to remove the unwanted plants, weeds from the crops, and we also have studied about the harvesting. What is meant by harvesting? Collecting the useful parts of the plants, fully grown parts of the plants, that is called as the harvesting. Now after doing all these things, the farmer has to go ahead with the next process or next stage of the farming, and the next stage of the farming, my dear friends, is the storage. So what is storage? How farmer should store his grains or the crops, that we will study in this part of the video. Now yielded grains are stored in the granaries or in the bins at the godowns for later use or for the marketing. Now farmer has collected the useful parts of the plants. Now what he should do? He should store them properly so that he will be able to sell them off in the market. So storage is very important, because when he will sell it into the market, then only he will be able to earn some money by which he can run his family. Okay, so these yielded grains are stored in the granaries or in the bins, and these granaries bins are stored or kept in the godowns. Okay, so what is godown? Godown is the place where farmers keep or store all his grains. So therefore the storage methods of the crop protection need to be better, means methods of the storage has to be better. If we do not have the proper storage places, then whatever the farmer has done in last 3 to 4 months to get these grains will be of no use. And that's why storage methods of the storage, methods of the crop protection has to be very better. Let me tell you that in India every year we destroy or we lots of grains which should be distributed to the poor parts of the society, and but we don't have the proper storage systems, and that's why we lose lots of grains. These grains gets wasted. So in order to protect the grains from the pests and from the rodents, cleaning, drying and fermentation are done prior to storing. So the places where they store has to be clean, has to be dried, and we have to take care that the unwanted, the harmful microorganisms should not grow or should not be there in those places. So these things farmer has to do before he stores the crop. The godowns where the farmers store the crop, these are kept dry, and area they are also kept free from insects and animals like the rats. These rats or certain other animal which can eat the food items. So the godowns has to be kept dry. There should not be any water content, should not be there, any moisture should not be there, because this moisture can lead to the growth of the microorganisms, and that's why these godowns places are kept dry, and these places are also kept free from the insects or the rodents like the rats. From these godowns, now farmer has stored it in the godowns. From these godowns, these food items, food stuff is transported to the main market, and from the main market these food items reach the local markets, and from local markets people like us, like you and me, we go to these local markets to buy these food items. So this is the entire journey. Farmers do all the hard work in the farm. After that he gather the fully grown parts of the plants, that means harvest the crop, he stores it in the godown, and after that these grains, crops, food items are transported to the local market. From local market it reaches the from main market it reaches the local market, and from local market we buy them for our further use. So this was about the entire process, or this was about the various stages of the farming from the day one, how it reaches to the common people, that we have studied in these 7 videos, the series of the videos we have studied about all those things. So in the next part of the video, we'll come up with the one more new lesson. Till that, you take good care of yourself. Thank you so much.